started as a contractor, engaging in third parties, carpenter to fabricate the furnitures. There were challenges in communication, which resulted in some unpleasant situations. That's why my dream is to set up my own company to provide a one-stop solution in design and fabrication works. Since we established in 2005, we have been consistently thinking of ways to improve our product's quality to satisfy customer high expectation.
We place customers in the center of our activities, and that is why we spend a lot of time with them to understand their design needs and requirements. Customers nowadays appreciate high quality products that includes customization. The demand for luxury is not only on the surface of what we see, but also the internal structure and finishing to it.
Investing in machinery to improve our precision and finishing was definitely our next move. It was the right time when the sales manager from Biesse invited us to participate in Biesse event in their showroom at Malaysia. Despite our busy schedule, we have been determined to learn more about machinery technology before we invest in it. Our aim was not to increase the number of orders, but to improve the quality of work.
We received a good reception from the Biesse team. The sales manager was very patient in sharing his knowledge and experiences to make sure we get the right kind of machine for our needs. The process of discussion and his visits to our factories was a comprehensive one to help us fully understand how machine could help us at different stages of our production. In addition, the sales managers were really very helpful in helping us to prepare for the moving in of the machine too.
Many of my employees have worked with us for years. They were very used to manual machine and worried that they might be replaced by machine. In the first few months since installation of machine, they learned a lot about the machine and how to operate them. Now my machine operators are very competent and confident in using the machine. They are much happier and acknowledge the higher production rate and quality. They are so familiar with the easy-to-use machines that they have started setting up libraries of programs on their own. We are very proud to have a team of machine operators who now believe in technology and are open to share their machinery experience with us.
We are competitive because we have machinery that are fast and accurate, allowing us the peace of mind to be a one-stop solution provider to our customers. Our advantage lies in our ability to include customers on the entire journey from idea generation to design, drawing, to production, and finally the installation. Most customers do not have any idea how their furniture are being made, but we often extend an invitation for them to visit us at our factory so that they can see their furniture being made with care because we use an internationally recognized machine brand. Their experience of seeing raw material being made into furniture for their home is a value they treasure the most. This way, they can even be assured of the quality from the very beginning and not just what they see after installation.
Since investing in the Biesse machines, I have achieved my goal of keeping the brain of the company in the office, allowing the machine to do the muscle work. With good technology, I no longer spend much time in my factories, as I can confidently rely on the machine to produce what we need. I'm assured of a high quality finishing. Although it wasn't my goal to increase the number of orders at the beginning, we realized that we are able to cope with more orders and promise a higher quality to our customers.
Biesse is a strong partner whom we can rely on to grow with. Its technology is highly innovative and often put users first.
We are happy with Biesse and will continue to make it our first choice in the machinery technologies.